Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. This is the Huawei Watch 3. Very excited to check this out. Going to show you what's in the box, go through the UI, the watch faces, functionality, and everything that you need to know should you be interested in this particular watch. I have had all the other Huawei watches over the time since they've been out. This does run their new Harmony OS, and it's something I really like about that, which I'll talk about when I go through the watch in more detail. Any questions, ask them below. Anyway, let's move on and check this all out. So now let's take a look at what you get in the box. There's not much writing on the sides here. So let's just open this up. So in the box you get the watch itself. You get the magnetic charger, no pins to line up, it's just magnetic, like so, and it starts charging. You get leaflets, scan this to get the Huawei Health app and warranty card. That's it. So everything as it is. The watch itself. So let's put it on. You can see it looks quite nice. I do like this. It's very comfortable. You can see it fits really nicely. Got lots and lots of space, and I've got relatively largish wrists. And I think that looks very smart. So let's take a closer look. So if we go, got two buttons here and so forth. This has also got a little mark, slight indents. So it's got a scroll wheel, so you can scroll. So for example, if there was a scrollable screen, you'd be able to do that. You can measure your heart rate. All sorts of different options here, and it depends on how much fitness you've had, and you can create custom one here, so you can do heart rate, SpO2, skin temperature, activity records. You can have all that on there. So on the workouts, the button here launches the workout. You can customize that, so you've got running courses, outdoor run, indoor run, walks, cycles, swim. You can use this in the water. And here you can use the scroll wheel, driving range skiing, snowboarding, cross-country skiing, triathlon, rower, other, and do a custom one. I mean, it's very customizable options, and you can just swipe down, which I find a little bit quicker. And if you do the running courses here, you've got a run, walk, basic, run, walk, advanced, easy run, fat burn, just tons and tons of different options that you have on here. And let's come out of that. You've also got different watch faces here. So if you press and hold, let's have a look at some of these. And you can also get custom watch faces from the store as well. So here, this is Giddy. If you press and hold, and you can customize some of the complications on here as well. You've got blocks. That's nice. You've got a sort of bold. That's really nice as well. Classy. I mean, you might like some of these a lot more than if you're a personal favourite. Let me know which one's your personal favourite, and so forth. Energetic, which is the one I quite like the most. Simple but effective. That's the gallery. Glowing. And you can see they're all really nice watch faces, all different. Integration. And you can see when you can customize it, has the icon at the bottom there. New times. I don't like that one. Do you like that one? I don't. Power, quite smart as well. Speedometer, too busy for me. You may like this one. Tranquil, this is a low power one as well. Doesn't, because it's all black and dark. Doesn't use a lot of resources in terms of battery. This one here as well. And you can, if you just customize it here, I'll show you very quickly. You can have the style, so you can go from black to white. Let's just accept that. That will obviously use more battery because of the white face, but again, you might quite like that. precise. As you can see, there are just so many different customizable, so many different, cards and so forth. And then you can add more watch faces. You're just not, you're never going to be bored of the actual watch faces that you've got. So it should work out. And here you've got all the apps and really just a whole range of options here. And what you can do also, you can, if you go into the settings, you've got quick toggles here, airplane mode, drain the watch if you've been swimming, screen on, find your phone, do not disturb, torch, alarm, shows you some basic information about the battery. I've got Wi-Fi. And if we go into settings here, just to show you the interface, you can set up your Huawei account, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, mobile network, NFC, watch face and launcher. So if you go into here, you can go to the watch face, always on, AOD style. Let's have a look at that for you. You've got default style here, and you can actually change some of these here as well. So you can see some of the options that you have for the AOD screen. Let's go back into that again. Custom tiles, so you can have custom tiles and you can adjust that. You've got sounds and vibration, ring volume, AI voice volume, ringtone, and let's have a look at some of the ringtone options. Amusement park, and you can actually have these can go quite loud as well. Right, and you've got different options for the sounds and the haptics. Really quite comprehensive option in here. Notifications, so you can show all, and it will load apps that come. You can select them, just show all, so it'll show you the system apps, and these are the ones where you can get notifications on. You put pin, you can have apps here, and you can display. Shows you all the different apps that are on here. You can get a few other options from the Huawei app gallery, but it's not there isn't that many there. And there's software update. I'll come to that in a second. I'll show you how that works. Remember, this is running Harmony OS. Battery, security and privacy, Huawei Assistant, accessibility features if you're interested. You've got gestures, so the gestures raise to wake, answer call gesture, and it shows you how they work. Down button, you can customize that. You can customize workout. Now this is where I think the Harmony OS gets pretty cool, is that you've got software updates. So if you click on that, I'm connected to Wi-Fi directly with the watch at the moment, and it's up to date. But you can actually download the firmware update from using your Wi-Fi direct onto the watch, and that's it. And it'll update it. It doesn't need the phone to update the firmware. That, I think, is absolutely amazing, and it's pretty cool. In terms of using this for fitness, it works very well. It's got all the sensors on there, as you saw as I went through, and it's a very, very nice fitness watch. It's also, you can do the phone call side of things as well. It's pretty cool, to be honest. So if you've got any questions on this, give us a shout. There is the Huawei Health app that just mirrors all the information that you see on a bigger screen on your phone, but you've probably seen that many times. But anyway, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care, guys. Bye for now.